At number 3, we have the NordicTrack T Series 10. The NordicTrack T10 excels with its powerful 3.0 CHP DRX motor, delivering smooth and consistent performance up to speeds of 22 km per hour. The spacious 51 by 152 cm running deck features Flex Select cushioning, allowing users to switch between cushion training for joint protection and firmer settings that simulate road running. The 7-inch backlit LCD display provides clear workout metrics, while the 0 to 12% incline range offers training variety and enhanced calorie burn. The Treadmill includes 20 built-in workout programs and iFIT compatibility for interactive training sessions. Notable comfort features include dual auto-breeze fans, built-in speakers, and a tablet holder. The space-saver design with Easy Lift Assist makes storage convenient, folding to nearly half its operational size. With a sturdy 150 kg user weight capacity and comprehensive warranty coverage, including lifetime frame and motor protection, the T10 offers reliable performance for home fitness.